Today's lesson is on statistical investigation. So when we talk about statistical investigation, it is carried out for a purpose, and the main goal is to get information from a large set of data in order to give some answers or conclusions to a problem or question. Any investigation should always follow the four-step problem-solving cycle. What are the four steps? Plan, collect, process, and discuss. For today's lesson, we're going to mainly be looking at the plan. You should write up a detailed plan, and in your plan should include research question, aim and hypothesis, source and type of data, sample and sample size. So research question is presented to you. Investigate using the database provided or by collecting your own data, the factors that influence the price of mobile phone. The aim. Aim to investigate factors affecting the price of mobile phone. Your hypothesis is what do you think? Do you think the factors influencing is the make? Is it the model? Is it the camera? What do you think? That is your hypothesis before you go into the research, into the detailed analysis of your data. What is your hypothesis? Remember to state your hypothesis before you start all the write-up. Then from there, you need to explain your source of data. Are you going to be collecting the data yourself, which is primary data? Are you going to be using the database provided, which is secondary data? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the source that you're going to use? Then from there, you need to discuss your data collection method. Are you going to be writing up a questionnaire, a tally chart, two-way tables, sampling? What is your population size? What is your sample size and why? So say your population size is 100. The sample you're going to investigate is not the whole 100. You could choose to use just 10. But why do you decide on 10? Or should you use 50? And give reasons as to how you come to your conclusion or the sample size. What sampling method are you going to use? What are the advantages and disadvantages of your sampling method? Is your sample size large enough to eliminate bias? So say out of 100, are you just going to use 5? Is that large enough? Are you going to use 50? And then consider any problems you may encounter and how you intend to overcome these problems. Finally, check that you have planned to collect appropriate data which will allow you to answer what you set out to show. Then submit your detailed plan to your teacher to check if your work is appropriate and give you the green light to move on to the next part. The next part will be on collecting data. But remember all these pointers that will help you answer the question. Thank you.